How to log out Gmail account in laptop or computer. So let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser, and once you open it, simply go to the Gmail. You can see Gmail option available in the top right corner of your screen, or you can also tap on the search address bar and search for Gmail. Now, once you're inside the Gmail, tap on the profile icon available in the top right corner of the page. This may show as a picture or a circle with your initial. So once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. Now from the drop down menu, select sign out or log out option available there. If you have multiple Gmail accounts signed in, you may see a sign out of all accounts option. If you want to log out of all accounts, click that option. So that is it. After logging out, you will be redirected to Gmail login page if you need to sign in again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.